Yo, what's up YouTube? How's it going? This is Friend of a Dude, and this is going to be kind of an untraditional video than what I normally do. What we're looking at right now is a box, but more specifically, inside this box there is a Mars Hydro SP150 LED grow light, which I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of right now, and throughout my experience using it, I'm going to be doing a few little updates for you guys, showing you how I like it and giving you a totally non-biased review of the light. So Mars Hydro reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to test this light, and to which I responded, sure, why not? So here we are. I have this box in front of me. It's not very big, as you can see, and I have my phone there for reference, the iPhone right there. Now you can see the box is open. I did cheat and open the box already to peek inside, but you know, I'm gonna go ahead and give you the full unboxing and review of this light. So let's open it and see what we got. So this is the SP150 LED grow light. I believe you can use it for veg and for flower, but I honestly don't know too much about it, so I'm gonna be learning just as we go. So right away, it's packaged really nicely. I like the fact that there's the fragile, you know, that's nice. It's pretty slick looking right off the top, honestly. We got some ratchets and hooks. That's pretty cool. You don't see that all the time, but definitely appreciate when the lights come with some ratchets. But yeah, that's dope. We got some ratchets and these triangle hooks, and then here is the light itself. Now I must say, this light is pretty slick looking right off the top. Let me see if I can one-handed carefully extract this light from the box, and just like that. And looks like they used like some wood actually for the protectant on the light. That's pretty cool. And then we got a user manual down here at the bottom, which should have hopefully some information that is useful. Let's see. We got technical specifications, which tells us here at the bottom the SP150 is a 2-foot light. So this is 2 feet right here. Let me adjust the focus. And let's see what else. The light is 134 watts. Wow, not bad. So 134 watts. Let's see. Let me adjust the focus here for you guys. Let me put it on auto and go hands-free. So honestly, it's pretty cool looking. Let me stand up so I can get a better look. It's pretty cool looking, honestly. It's very slick. It's not too heavy. It's pretty light, honestly. It's not like featherless light, but very slick design, honestly. I really like this grow light. I honestly have not been too in touch with Mars Hydro lights as of recently. It's funny coming full circle. Mars Hydro was some of the first LED grow lights that I ever used in my closet. And you can actually go back on my channel and find those videos. You'll see I used the Mars Hydros for a little while now. And then I eventually moved on to some other lights, but they always served me well. So I'm really excited to test out this light, honestly. It's really slick looking, so I'm gonna get it set up in my grow closet where I have my clones and my little baby plants. So we'll get that set up there and plug it in, see how bright it is to wrap up the video. So yeah, I'll see you in a second. Alright, what is up? We are back here in what I call the veg closet. It's kind of stuffed in here, you know. I got some lights, LEDs and whatnot, some cheap ones, Chinese ones on the side, and you know, I got some other various things down there, lights. There's another 315 and Rockwell and whatever. But this is primarily where I do my clones. I'm actually about to take a set of clones today, and I'm gonna, like I said, start my next round of plants on this bottom shelf here. So I went ahead and hung up the light right there. I could go a little bit taller, but as you can see, it's basically maxed out there with height. But I could go maybe like another ½ inch taller. But yeah, so let's go ahead. You can see I have this one light right here. That's like a 50-watt, one single bulb. And you know, it's pretty bright, but let's see. Let's go ahead and turn this on, see the difference. So plug it in. Whoa. Yeah. There you go. So I mean, geez, you can really tell right off the bat. I don't know if you can in the video, but you definitely can in person. This thing, wow, it's interesting. I wasn't sure what the spectrum was going to be. Like I said, I really didn't know too much about this light, and I'm learning right now as I go. But man, I like the spectrum so far. One of the things about the LEDs in the past that really threw me off was the pink of the multi-spectrum, which sometimes, you know, not that it's a bad thing, it's just that it kind of throws me off as far as looking at the plants and seeing how they naturally look. So I always appreciate when the lights are a nice natural kind of spectrum like this. We'll take a look up at the light. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna do some follow-up videos on how well the light really works with plants, and you know, we'll test it out. So this is gonna be wrapping it up for this one video. I want to thank Mars Hydro again for reaching out to me to test this light, and I'm very much looking forward to testing it. Also, I'm interested to see how the heat is on this light, so I will be doing full follow-ups on how the light performs in the future. But this is just wrapping up the unboxing and setup of the light. So thanks for sticking around and watching, and yeah, well, stay tuned, and I'll throw some plants under here and we'll see how it does. So thanks again for watching, and look out for future videos. Peace.